It looks like I finally sold my Starrett Vise. If you remember, I had this on eBay. I've had it on Craigslist. I picked it up at a yard sale for $2, and guy's very interested in it. He's coming out to see it, and looks like I should sell it for around $240. It got me thinking about how the price, how it's important to watch what you price the stuff. It has an effect on the number of buyers, potential buyers that you're going to get. For instance, when you price something high, the number of buyers, potential buyers for something decreases, and it takes a longer time to sell it. The good part is more money in your pocket when you do. When you price something low, the number of potential buyers increases. It'll increase. The lower you price it, the more potential buyers goes up as the price goes down. And you have a shorter time to sell. The downside is less money in your pocket. For instance, on this Vise, it looks like it's going to sell for $240. But who knows? If I put $300 on there, maybe I could get $300. You got to remember, this was almost a $700 Vise new. I guarantee there's somebody out there, somewhere in the country, that's willing to pay $300 for this Vise. It's just finding that person. There probably isn't too many of them. It took long enough to find somebody doing the at $240. But say I would have priced this thing at $50, I would have sold this within a couple days. Still would have made a nice profit, but not nearly as nice as what I got now. So just remember, you can always come down in price. You can never go up. It's if something doesn't take up a whole lot of room, and you don't need the money right away, market at a decent price. Of course, knowing what to mark something, you need to know what its value is. That's not always easy to do. But once you know about what something's worth, you can price it accordingly. Do you want to sell it quick and leave some money on the table, or do you like selling stuff at a higher price and letting it take a little while? I think most people would rather get the higher price. So, just my thoughts.